How are we gonna get across? How are we gonna get across here? Anybody know? Let's go. Very nice, very nice. The breeze up there. Very nice, very nice. Let's see. Now we're gonna hike our way this side down. I never come up this far. I almost do, but this is kind of new. But it opens up to where I know. I wanted to see if I was missing anything. I bet these get slippery too. Alright, let's see if we find anything. I'll shut the camera off for now. Look at all that wet build up in there. Let's see. Be back in a moment as the sun peering through there. These big old oaks here, I had nothing on them. Oh, we got some more oysters across the creek. I think they're oysters, or is that a broken log? They look like they're a little too far gone though. Check it out. Is the lighting messed up on here? Where's the lighting? I don't know what's wrong up here. There's some oysters. Well, we're gonna have to cross this creek. We just came from that side. We'll go check it out. Let's check it out. It looked like they might be a little too far gone. So we just crossed up there and then we're gonna go back. Alright, there we go. Hope we don't fall here. Wet. Yeah, they're on a stump. Let's see. Let's see. There. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, I'll go do that. Still there. Before somebody steals them. Beautiful, beautiful. Like I said, I don't know, they might be just good enough. Yeah, maybe there's some better ones on there. Let's just check out the condition. So this, yeah, there's more there too. This is where we got them wet. Oh, we got them here last time. Look, the whole log collapsed with the last storm. Remember by this section here? Here's where we got them last time. The whole log the water got this high. First time in a long time too. Yeah, they're too far gone, but let's look at them anyway. No. It's Chicken of the Woods. Damn it. Oh, damn, I missed it. No. Damn. I can't believe it. I was here a week ago. These must have hatched right after. Man, my lady left here. We walked across here. We literally walked the creek. She remembers. Oh, dang. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I missed it. Jeez, would have filled at least 2 gallons worth. Let's take one off and see. Oh, man. I'm saddened by this here. The bugs got it. Holy, eternal, omnipresent greetings. No, I was late. Dang it. Is it a yellow underside? These are sulfurous. These would have been good 2-3 days ago. Oh. Ah. Oh man. This and this probably came up first. This probably came up second. Oh man. This dang white jelly fungus. Let's see. I'll put this down here. Is there any chance there's any life to it? Dang. I'll take this one off of here. Look at that nice yellow. Oh, I missed it by 2 days. 3 days I could have cut it off too. It would have been juvenile perfect there. Oh man. Let's get out of here for some reason. Damn it. Will this move from the next storm? No. Dang it. Alright, let's cross the creek again. Jeez. Oh man. Well, we're having an adventure here, folks. We're having an adventure. Dang it. We just crossed up there and we circled around and came back down Sawdust. Yeah, because me and my lady walked right through here and we crossed right above the falls here. We walked right through. We just saw this. Unbelievable. Must have hatched the day after. We were here last Saturday. Exactly a week ago. That's how fast this stuff, it won't grow for another year. Occasionally twice a year. You got about a 2-3 day window of opportunity to get this stuff while it's growing. People wonder why I'm fuss over it so much. Oh, dang. Yeah, I thought it was on the oysters. We're on a trip here now. We're on a journey. You know, BootTube doesn't like when you say the word trip when you're mushroom hunting. You can't say you're on a mushroom trip. No. We're on a mushroom journey, okay? Adventure. And it's a mushroom trip, but not the kind that you're thinking of, BootTube AI. Alright, let's get going. Nah. Late on another chicken. It's supposed to be growing in here. I found this earlier this year. There's a small amount of chicken here. I can't believe this. Oh man, another chicken. I wonder if I can eat any of it. This is sad. This is away from the creek, up from the creek. About 100 yards from the other one. Let me just go in there and get this here out of here. See what it looks like. Let's see if I can get this in the ground here somehow. Is this going in the ground? Come on. I'm going to be able to see. Somebody hold this. There's nobody around. I could just... I gotta go in there and get this one. I gotta get it myself. That's all there is to it. Hold on. Damn it. Come on. Take this backpack off. 2 chickens in a row. Let me get this here. Might be something on the other side too. I gotta go in and check that. Watch your eyes going through this stuff. Ah, dang. So good. It's a small amount, but man, I don't see any. As far as I can look around here. It's not much, but just knowing that 2 days ago, if I was here, I'd have got that down by the creek and this. It's a sad prophecy. Now, you see, why can't you eat this? Let's see why we can't eat this. Let me turn it around here. Hold on here. Hold that, Mr. and Mrs. or he, she, they sticker bush. Okay. Crush my sideways. Why can't you eat this? I could, but I wouldn't be too happy about eating it. Let's see. See how it's flattened out. Let's see. Get better lighting here, I think. Here's my sunglasses. See how it's flattened out. And if I wanted to, if I really needed it, I could break an inch off the edges. And it might not be too dry, but this isn't the fun kind to eat. You see? And this is sulfurous. You see the yellow side, the orange, more orange up top. But the yellow side is the sulfurous. And Cincinnatus will be like white, like you see in here. It'll be similar white to off-white on the bottom. But this is sulfurous. Dang it! Smells chickeny. Dang it! Oh man, that spider crawling on my head. Well, we missed them by 2 or 3 days. That's what happened. Let's see what we get around the bend. If I had to, I could take the edges here and fry them up. It'd be a little chewy, but once you get spoiled getting them on time, you like the ones that are on time. If you get them too early, they can actually be too soft. This camera's lighting is bad. I like my old camera, like I say. I'm going to toss this. I'm going to wait for some better. Let's continue on. Got some deer here looking at us. Whoa. Uh-oh, stomping. How's it going? All right. Got one chicken tree down here. Let's just take a close-up on it. That tree down there. I'll be watching it. This is where it got it last year. Let me see. Right here, up the tree, up to here. I'll be watching. And then up here too.